Good afternoon, Dipen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am. What's about you?
Welcome to Clappingo. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you for asking. So, what brings you to Clappingo today?
Basically, ma'am, I want to improve my communication skill. That's why I am here.
So, what challenges you face while speaking in English?
Basically, ma'am, I able to understand English, but somewhere I stuck to with communicate with someone. So hesitation and some where I think lack of vocabulary. I can't able to communicate well, I think.
Okay. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
I am Dipender. I belong to Uttarkasi, which is in Uttarakhand, and currently I am living in Dehradun. And I have a part of my family. I have little. I have younger brother and younger sister. And my hobbies are playing cricket and playing volleyball, and that's all about me.
You're working somewhere?
Yes, currently I am working somewhere in annotation company, RMSI Private Limited in Dehradun.
And what about if I ask how often you speak
No, ma'am, there is
in English with?
no communication is there with anyone in English. There is only we capture 2D and 3D. Only this way to walk there.
Okay. And how was your day today? What did you do today? At what time did you wake up and all?
Basically, ma'am, I am in a night. I'm currently doing night shift, so I woke up to attend the session. Current right now, I slept 6 o'clock. I reach my uh, place where I sleep, and then still half an hour ago I woke up to attend the session.
Okay. And have you tried doing something on your own to improve your communication skills, like reading, listening, watching movies, something like that?
Yes, ma'am. I am reading book. I have one book. This is Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Josie Morphy, and some other books I have. One is Energizing Your Mind by Gaur Gopal Das, and other one is Life Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das, and one another book I have read. I have completed and to that is Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. How to manage your time. That
Okay.
yes.
All right. So, what do you do with the words that you come across while reading? Are you able to remember the words, the phrases?
Yeah, somewhere I can't able to understand, so I Google those things which I don't know about, and most of the things I know, so that I don't feel that much difficulties while reading. But if I talk about the speaking, so somewhere I stuck, somewhere I forgot which word is correct to use there. Uh, Wherever I able to I can't able to speak somewhere. I don't even able to decide which sentence or which word I have to use here. Although I know about the tenses and modal verbs and conjunction and prepositions, but I can't even able to put in a right way, I think. So that's problem I have till now, but I will definitely, I'm working on those things, And this session I am currently recording this. I will listen after the end the session which mistake I have made while speaking. So I will work on those things.
Correct. So see, what I can say is you are making a lot of grammatical errors. Your sentences structure is not correct. You're speaking in small broken sentences. You're not very fluent. You're using a lot of filler words like you're thinking a lot before you are speaking. Right? Fluency is not there. You're struggling with the words. You're struggling with the vocabulary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right? And there is no one, while even if you're practicing, no one is there to correct your mistakes. No one is there to tell you where you're going wrong and how you can improve upon it. Right? You have this habit of using I can't able to, I can't able to. I can't able to is absolutely wrong. I cannot. Can't able to is no sentence. Okay, like you said, I can't able to communicate well. I can't able to do this. No. I cannot communicate well or I could not communicate well. Both the sentences are correct. I can't able to is absolutely wrong. Then you said I able to understand. Now here preposition is missing. You will say complete sentence would be I am able to understand but unable to speak fluently and correctly. That would be the correct sentence. You're making mistakes as well. Struggling with the vocabulary. Right? The one thing is that confidence is good. You're not afraid of speaking with new people. Like there was a constant eye contact. That was really good. Right? So confidence level is good. You're not afraid of talking to new people, making an eye contact with them. But you're struggling with vocabulary, fluency, grammar, all right, intonation, voice modulation, filler words, all these things you need to improve on to be a fluent speaker. Okay, Dipendra?
Yes, ma'am.
So here on Clappingo, Dipendra, it will be a one-on-one session like this only. We will be discussing different topics in every session. Wherever you will make mistake, I will correct your mistakes. Okay, as soon as you go wrong, I will correct your mistakes. Okay, with correction, I will tell you what is the correct way to speak also. So what happens here is you not only understand the concept, but you also get to apply and practice it regularly. Okay, the practice that you're not getting in your day-to-day life, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will correct your mistakes. I will teach you new words. We will do a lot of confidence building exercises, a lot of vocabulary exercises to work, on the lags that you have. Okay. So next is you have to take the subscription. For that, you will log into Clappingo website or app. You will click on the subscription button where you will see the plans. Okay. Now there you have to decide your plan based on the time. There are two types of sessions that we have. First is 15 minutes, the other one is 25 minutes. So you can decide which one you want to take, a 15-minute session or a 25-minute session. Then you will decide how many classes you want to take in a week, like you want to take 1 class, 3 classes, 5 classes or 7 classes a week. Then the duration of your course based on the month. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Like you want to continue here for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, etc. I will recommend at least you should go for 3 months of plan. Why 3 months? Because practice makes a man perfect. Okay? You need practice. With practice for 3 months consistently, definitely you will improve. Okay? Because you have no problem understanding the language. It is just while speaking you are going wrong. Right? So within 3 months, definitely you will improve. Alright?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am.
If you go for 15 minutes class, then go for at least 5 sessions a week for 3 months. And if you go for 25 minutes class, then go for 3 classes a week for 3 months. Yeah, you were saying something?
So, ma'am, how basically we are from the Hindi medium, so we don't even know about the English. Not that much we know, but
That's why you are here.
how?
देखो यहाँ पर क्या होगा ना, आपके साथ हम एक टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे जो आप कभी भी किसी के साथ डिस्कस करते ही नहीं हो, बात ही नहीं करते हो इंग्लिश में. जब बात ही नहीं करोगे तो आएगा कैसे? पढ़ने लिखने से कुछ नहीं होगा जब तक आप बोलोगे नहीं. तो यहाँ पर आपको वो प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है कि यहाँ पर आप स्ट्रिक्टली आप सिर्फ किस लैंग्वेज में बात करोगे? इंग्लिश में बात करोगे. तो चाहे आप 15 मिनट के लिए लो या 25 मिनट के लिए लो, आपको मालूम है कि यहाँ बस मुझे अब इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है. तो दिन के अगर 15 मिनट भी आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो, जो कि आप उस बंदे के साथ जो आपके मिस्टेक्स को करेक्ट करता है, आपको सिखाता है कि सही सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनते हैं, तो 3 महीना बहुत है आपको सीखने के लिए. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. So if I talk about speaking, so this is the part of speaking, but if I also want to improve written English, like we all know
हाँ तो वो दोनों होगा ना, बोला तो रिटन और स्पोकन दोनों कवर कराया जाता है, आपसे बोला तो मैंने। आपकी रिटन स्किल्स, आपकी स्पोकन स्किल्स, सब कुछ यहाँ पर कवर किया जाता है, ठीक है। तो जैसे जैसे आपको सीखना बोलना सिखाएंगे, वैसे वैसे आपको लिखना भी सिखाएंगे कि जैसे, क्योंकि अगर जो बंदा लिख नहीं सकता वो बोल भी नहीं सकता, सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट ये रहता है। तो जब आप बोलना सीखोगे तो लिखना भी आपको यहीं पे ही सिखाया जाएगा, ठीक है। और कोई डाउट?
if I talk about the accent, so is accent matter in to learning
देखो,
English? Because lots of people
फिलहाल तो एक्सेंट का कुछ नहीं है, नहीं। पहले तो आप बोलना सीखोगे, एक्सेंट तो बात की बात है, अभी तो आप बोल ही नहीं पा रहे हो, तो एक्सेंट का क्या कर लोगे? एक्सेंट होगा भी और गलत इंग्लिश बोलोगे तो उसका क्या फायदा है ना। पहले इंग्लिश बोलना सीखेंगे, सही इंग्लिश बोलना सीखेंगे, उसके बाद हम एक्सेंट पे काम करेंगे। वो भी, उसके भी बहुत सारे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स होते हैं कि कौन सा एक्सेंट आपको लेना है, विच एक्सेंट यू वांट, यूएस, ब्रिटिश, इंडियन नेटिव, आपको कौन सा चाहिए। सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट आप उसके हिसाब से आपको जैसा एक्सेंट चाहिए आप पिकअप कर लो। पहले सही बोलना सीखो, ठीक है। तो ये है, ऑलराइट। और कोई डाउट?
no है।
ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा आसान करने के लिए, टू मेक इट अ लिटिल इजी फॉर यू, आई एम गिविंग यू अ डिस्काउंट कोड इन द चैट बॉक्स। मैंने आपको एक डिस्काउंट कोड दिया है, पेमेंट करने से पहले आप ये डिस्काउंट कोड लगा देना, आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। बट ये कोड जो है वो 4 घंटे के लिए ही वैलिड है, और सेम मोबाइल नंबर से जिससे आप डेमो सेशन ले रहे हो, ओके। You can take your Clappingo classes at any time. Whenever you are free, just open the slot and take the session. There is no fixed timing. Whenever you are free, you just have to open the slot and take the session. Okay? Alright? And you will get the recording, like you already know, that you will get the recording of this session and you will get the recording of all the other sessions also that you will be taking here. Alright? You will get the complete study material. जो भी हम क्लास में करेंगे, जैसा भी हम क्लास में करेंगे, वो आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, ठीक है। तो उसके लिए भी आपको टेंशन नहीं लेनी है। और जितने भी क्लासेस रहते हैं वो टाइमर पे रहते हैं, दे आर ऑन अ टाइमर एंड दे गेट ऑटोमेटिकली डिस्कनेक्टेड, ओके। क्लियर?
So ma'am, if some topic you will give us to about which we have to communicate, we have to say, so will you give us to any kind of content we have to read about that, and after then we can?
हाँ, बहुत नॉर्मल से टॉपिक्स रहेंगे, बहुत बेसिक वाले, जैसे ट्रैवल, शॉपिंग, फूड, फ्यूचर, टेक्नोलॉजी, से नॉर्मल टॉपिक्स जो हम डेली सबसे कन्वर्स करते हैं, है ना, उससे रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी, फ्रेजेस, सब चीजें, मेडिकल, बहुत सारे ऐसे वो है, वो आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। वो आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा कि सेशन में आपसे ट्यूटर ऐसे बात करेगा, ये पूछेगा, तो आप अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो। सब कुछ आपको घर के लिए मिलेगा, ठीक है। कोई और डाउट?
No ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
ठीक है। All right. So it was wonderful talking to you, Dipendra. See you soon in the classes. I've given you the discount code. Remember, discount code is valid only for 4 hours. You will also get the discount code on WhatsApp after this call. So use it within 4 hours with the same mobile number. Okay?
Okay ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
All right. Bye-bye.